Hi guys, Stone here with Actionable Insights. Welcome to Matter Hacks, a video series brought to you by us. Today we're going to be talking about Business Card, a new plugin feature available with Matterport's 2024 winter release. You can see that I'm on mymatterport.com and I have a scan open. And the first thing you notice is this digital business card open in the bottom right. This puts your contact information directly in front of your audience. Right off the bat, you can see the name of the company, you can see the company graphics, you can see direct contact information here in the middle. You've also got links to all of the social media platforms that are relevant. This is awesome. This is a great way to put your contact information, all of your relevant business information directly in front of a client, a viewer of your dollhouse, a viewer of your scan, whoever you're sending this to. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to go up here to the top right portion of the screen. I'm going to click on the edit button. This is going to put you into the regular edit mode. You want to go down here to the bottom to the plugins tab. I'm clicking on that. I've opened this up. You can see at the very top there is Business Card. Now this is already enabled. Obviously I was demoing this for you just a little bit ago. Once you click on that, it opens up a new window. You can see at the top right we've got the slider to enable and disable this feature for any particular scan. You have all of the relevant tabs to put in the company's name, a direct contact's name, phone number, email address, all of your social media platforms. Whatever you add populates on the business card. If you don't have any of these filled out, they don't pop up, so that way you don't have any missing links or any irrelevant buttons. You can also upload photos. In this case, I've uploaded the Actionable Insights logo and our trademarked eye. You can have a particular representative's photo and business banner. However you'd like your information displayed, you just input it in here. Hit save. It's enabled, so now when we go to view the scan in regular mode, you can see the business card is right there. Once you start navigating and moving around, it gets out of your way. But when you jump into a scan, you can see there's this tab on the right side. If you hover your mouse over that, it'll pop back open. So while they're viewing the dollhouse, manipulating that model, whether they're inside the scan, it is easy for them to have your contact information right in front of their face. It's easy for them to see, easy for them to access. It's a great way for them to associate this particular scan with you and your organization. And that's it. This is a great way to highlight a space, highlight your information, and direct those viewers back to your platforms. This is a great addition to the suite of Matterport add-ons. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, comment, subscribe below, and a big thanks to Matterport for being a partner of ours. If you have an idea for a new Pro 3 video, drop a comment. We would love to make one. Thanks again, and we will catch you in the next Matter Hacks video.